Birds in paradise. Kenya is known for its wildlife scenes. Millions of tourists visit Kenya each year to see its endless savanna and the animals that live there. There is no better way to illustrate birds in paradise than through a beautiful view of lesser flamingos flying freely through the sky. Lesser flamingos live in sub-Saharan Africa. They are the smallest species of flamingo and are well known for their red bill tipped with black. Flamingos are very social birds. They live together in colonies. They also move together, all performing similar postures so that they could breed at the same time. This gives them the best possible chance to raise the maximum number of chicks. Additionally, flamingos also follow each other closely when they fly. They fly in different shapes according to the different wind conditions. "75% of the world's 3.2 million lesser flamingos can be found in Lake Natron, Tanzania. The lake's extreme salt levels is deadly to most other life forms. But due to the strong body of the lesser flamingos, they can survive in these seemingly toxic lakes. The special tough skin and the scales on the flamingo's legs prevent burns. In fact, if no fresh water is available nearby, the flamingos can use glands in their head to remove salt. The salt then comes out from their nostrils. The flamingo feed on blue-green algae that live in the lake. This algae contains a reddish-orange material. This material then passes through the flamingo's digestive system and eventually dissolves in fats, which then creates new pink feathers. With few animals being able to survive in such conditions, there is almost no competition for food. And these toxic wetlands are a paradise to the massive flock. Unfortunately, habitat destruction by humans has a negative effect on the breeding and feeding grounds of flamingos, slowly diminishing their population.